In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Messenger emoji problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your Messenger. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch your Messenger, open conversation with anybody, then open your keyboard. You're going to find the emoji icon. If this solution didn't work out for you, what you can do is download third-party app. For that, launch App Store or Play Store. Now search for Gboard. Now you'll need to install this app and launch it. Now provide full access to this app. Then open any of the conversation, open the keyboard. At the bottom, you're gonna find this icon. Press and hold on it and check in for the option Gboard. Once we're using the Gboard keyboard, you're gonna find the emoji options, and that's it. This way you can fix Messenger emoji problem. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.